Here it is, sugar, golden yellow sugar and margarine mixed together. Now we're gonna add some eggs. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of chocolate chip. There you go. You can always add more if you want to, because why not? The chocolate chips have been added. Now we're gonna add some flour. We've got all of our ingredients. Now we're gonna have to mix that up. So, now we have to start the oven. This has to be at 375 Fahrenheit, so right there in the middle. We are now gonna wait for 12 minutes, and then if it's not enough, we'll put them back in the oven for another 3 minutes. So let's wait. So this is not ready yet, but we're getting there. Looks yummy. There it is. It is now ready and looking delicious. Really good.